So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how the stabilization workflow works on your GoPro Lit Hero. First, let's say what the stabilization workflow is. In the GoPro Quik app, it automatically processes your video recordings with AI in order to stabilize the video. Now, I'll show you a comparison because it doesn't work if I put a raw file on my PC, because it's the app what makes it less shaky. So let's see it now. At first, I'll show you the recording on my computer, and then we'll see how it works stabilized. Okay, I have my camera connected. Now, if I go to my recordings, I will find this video that I have recorded. I was shaking the camera a lot, and you'll see it here. So also put that into some consideration that it will be more if you don't shake your camera as much, then the stabilization will work even better. I can actually show you two examples. This is the first one, and as you can see, I was shaking the camera quite a lot. You can see it is really shaky here. Now the next one is this one, and I was shaking the camera even more. I don't know why it couldn't open it. Wait. Let's try that again. I think it should be working. Let's see if anything opens. No, nothing opens. Let's see if I could maybe go back and go into the camera again. Okay, I'll unplug the camera and I will plug it back in, and we'll see, because that other one is also important to see. So I'll turn the camera on so it transfers the files. Sorry for that beep. It's what the camera does. Now it should get into the file transfer. And yeah, let's go in there. And this is the other file, which was even more difficult for the camera. You can see how shaky it is. It is really shaky. Now, when I get to the app, which I'll do right now, these will be the two recordings that I have shown you. This is the first one. You can see it is way less shaky. It looks like an action mode on an iPhone. And this is that very shaky video that here was turned into still shaky video, but less shaky and more stabilized, which I think is really great. And this is how the stabilization workflow works for your GoPro. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.